Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel we are going to practice and improve our English, and for that we are going to use the Bible as a tool. Today we are going to learn new words to keep improving our English. The first thing we are going to do is to read the Bible verse to practice our pronunciation, and then we are going to start to analyze the different words. Are not 5 sparrows sold for 2 pennies? Yet no one of them is forgotten by God. Indeed, the very hairs of your head are all numbered. Don't be afraid, you are worth more than many sparrows. Luke 12:6-7. The first word we have is a sparrow, a small old-world bird related with the weaver's birds, typically with brown and grey plumage. A sparrow is a bird that is very common in Britain and also live near humans and have a pretty musical song. Now we have the word forgotten. Something that's forgotten isn't remembered or considered. Your forgotten mail might sit in the mailbox all weekend if you simply don't think about it. Forgotten is the past participle form of the verb forget. That means not to bring something with you because you do not remember it. I've forgotten my umbrella. Do not remember something. I have forgotten his name. Although we have the word afraid. To be afraid is to be scared. People are afraid of snakes, bugs, heights, birds, death, and public speaking, among other things. Being afraid means you have fear of something, and people are afraid of a lot of sort of things. People also say, I'm afraid I have some bad news, which doesn't mean they are afraid of the news, but sorry that they have to share it. Also, we can say feeling afraid or feeling worried about the possible result of a particular situation. He was or he felt suddenly afraid. Now we're going to analyze the word worth. The equivalent in value to the sum or item specified, the only worth 450 was taken. Also, we can say that it's sufficiently good, important, or interesting to be treated or regarded in the way specified. The museums in the district are well worth a visit, so you have to go, having a particular value, especially in money. Our house is worth 2 millions. The noun worth refers to the monetary value of something. If your grandmother gives you a strange old coin from her collection, you can have it appraised to the term it's worth. Finally, we have the word penny. It takes 100 pennies to make a dollar. You use pence or more informally p when you are talking about the units of money and pennies. When you are talking about the coins themselves, could you lend me 15 pence, please? Are not 5 sparrows sold for 2 pennies? Yet no one of them is forgotten by God. Indeed, the very hairs of your head are all numbered. Don't be afraid, you are worth more than many sparrows. Luke 12:6-7. That's all for today's lesson. I hope you learned something new. If you want to keep improving your English using the Bible as a tool, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.